Hey kiddos, 10th day of Christmas crafts. All right, that's really hard to say if you didn't know. You could say something really ugly if you're not careful. I haven't done that like 5 times or anything this video. So let's just jump right in. Remember those burlap trees that I made at the first of the week? All right, so I took that off, of course, and I saved the garland off of 4 of them. And I also saved the snowflakes off of 4 of them and the rhinestones, okay? And we're all going to reuse all of that right now. So it took 4 of those little green garlands to go around this wire wreath from Dollar Tree. So here in a minute, you'll see that I need this wire wreath, and I bought a pair of the reindeer antlers to use on here. And I got the shiny ones because this is like an outdoor metallic material, and so I wanted it all to match. Now, it took 4 garlands to go around, and you just wrap it around, and it's kind of got a little bit of a wire in it, but I still hot glued it along the way. All right, so I had one that I had already finished, so I didn't want to, make you watch me wind that around there 42,000 times. I went and I did the snowflakes back and forth, just spacing them out. It took me a little bit of time, to figure how many I wanted on there. Of course, you want to do it in an odd number, I think, or it might be an even. Sorry, don't remember. Anyway, so you put them on there so you can go back and forth. Of course, if you didn't like the snowflakes on there, it was really cute without them, but I just wanted a little bit more on there. Now that I'm showing you these antlers, and they were standing straight up, of course, when you get them. There's a piece of plastic in there, and you just wiggle it back and forth until it pops. Once it pops, then you can just cut the fabric off of the headband. All right. And then the red tinsel is also off of that Christmas tree that I had done before. And that is 4 of those wound up together in there. Well, I finally started hot gluing them down. And of course, you need to not pull them off, and you need to leave them spaced so that when you put them on there that you know where you're going. So that's why I took them off and then put them back on, because I thought, well, I need to hot glue them on. Well, I should have left them there and done one by one, which is what I finally figured out how to do in the end. And then I took the rhinestones, the red rhinestones off of the bells, of course, and centered one right on top of the snowflakes. Now, looking back at it from here, it looks like flowers, but when you get up on it and you look at it, you can tell that it's snowflakes with rhinestones. But looking at it in this video, I'm going, that really does look like flowers. So maybe I'll use some of them for flowers later on. I just make sure that I hot glued the ball on the front, or the nose on the front and on the back. And then the reindeer ears I put only on the back. Now, the reason I didn't use the little brown ears, which now that I think about it, I could have done that too. I could have cut them off and put on there too. But I was thinking whether it's velvet, and I thought, well, that's going to get dirty quick. So I just really lay the hot glue to these antlers and make sure that I go up more than just, I go up to that first little nubbin and put a big old glob of glue on it. I mean, I gave it what for. Now remember, if you're using this Ryobi hot glue gun, this sucker is hot. And you can see I've got my little fingers on just in case it gets me, because it has gotten me several times. I think here in a minute I'm going to show you that the hot glue gun is actually smoking. It's burning the glue on there that it got so hot, which was just funny to me. Well, here it is on my back porch, and you can see my Christmas tree through there if you really look. I don't really have a solid door that I could put it on without removing all my Christmas decorations in the front. So this is my back porch, and I thought, well, that's just so cute out there. But Anyway, I hope you enjoy making this, and I'm so happy that you followed me for the 10th day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas.